That's the sound of money. Fresh, printed money. That's the sound of money. Fresh, printed money.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, I'm going to talk about the market and what is going on in the market right now. So, if you look at the market any of these days, you'll know that the uncertainty in the market right now is crazy. Like nobody knows where the stock market is going right now. It could be, the war. You can still blame it on Corona, but either way, it doesn't matter because there's nothing really happening right now. It doesn't matter which stocks you own right now. It's a good chance that you are down a lot. So, what can you do to prepare yourself for when the market does decide to uptrend? Well, all you can do right now is stay in cash and just save your money. If you ever heard the quote where it says that when preparation meets opportunity, that's when luck happens. So, say the market start going up now and most of the stocks you want to buy is still cheap. If you don't have the money to buy it, it doesn't make any sense. But if you're ready to buy and the opportunity comes the right time, that's when you're going to get lucky. You're going to have the money to buy in, and that's when the big gains are going to come from. Because when the market decides to go up again, it's going to go up in a hurry. And you need to be prepared for that. So you should save your money, stay in cash right now. Right now, cash is king, and I can't emphasize on that. Cash is king right now. So stay in cash and get ready for when the opportunity does comes, you'll be ready to get right in. So that's just a quick update on the market right now. And the stock market will go back up, but when it does go up, you have to set yourself in a position where you'll be ready to capitalize on it when it does get ready to go up. So the best thing to do right now, just stay in cash, save up your money, stay in cash. Cash is king, and when the time comes, you will know you're ready to get back in the market. And that's the best thing you can do for your future self right now. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.